I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart a Tesla Model S. First, you will need to locate the 12-volt battery, which is found under the front cover. Once the front is open, carefully remove the small maintenance panel to expose the battery terminals. It is crucial to correctly identify the positive and negative jump points before proceeding with any connections. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take the red, positive cable and attach one end to the positive terminal on your Tesla's 12-volt battery. Then, connect the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Next, take the black, negative cable and connect one end to the negative terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. To complete the connections, attach the remaining end of the black, negative cable to a suitable unpainted metal ground point on your Tesla, away from the battery. Once all connections are secure, start the donor vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the Tesla's 12-volt battery to receive a sufficient charge. After this time, you can attempt to power on your Tesla Model S. After your Tesla Model S successfully powers on, carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the reverse order of how you connected them. It's important to drive your Tesla for at least 20 to 30 minutes to allow the 12-volt battery to fully recharge from the vehicle's charging system. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals. This helps ensure your battery is ready for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.